Hey there! Having trouble with no sound on your TCL Google TV speakers? In today's guide, we're unraveling the mysteries behind audio issues and teaching you how to fix the no sound on TV speaker TCL Google TV problem. Audio troubles can be frustrating, but fear not. We've got you covered with these straightforward tips. Step 1. Check volume and mute setting. Before diving into complex solutions, let's start simple. Ensure the volume on both your TCL Google TV and remote control is turned up. Double check that the TV isn't muted. Sometimes the easiest solution is right in front of us, so don't skip this step. Step 2. Inspect audio output settings. Navigate to your TCL Google TV's audio settings by pressing the Home button on your remote. Then go to Settings, Display and Sound, Audio Output. Confirm your TV speakers are selected as the default audio output. If external speakers or headphones are connected, disconnect them and recheck the output setting. Step 3. Restart your TV. When in doubt, restart your TV. This can resolve minor glitches and refresh your system. Turn off your TCL Google TV, unplug it from the power source, wait about 60 seconds and plug it back in. Turn it back on and check if the sound issue persists. Step 4. Update software. Outdated software can lead to problems, including sound issues. To check for updates, go to Settings, System, About, and choose System Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Keeping your TCL Google TV updated ensures it runs smoothly. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. If all else fails, performing a factory reset might be necessary. Note that this will erase all custom settings and apps, returning the TV to its original state. To factory reset, go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. After resetting, set up your TV afresh and verify if the audio issue is resolved. And there you have it. Simple yet effective methods to fix no sound on your TCL Google TV speakers. Start with basic checks like volume and mute settings and progress to more technical solutions like updating software or a factory reset. Remember, staying calm and methodical helps in pinpointing the issue efficiently. Now, enjoy your favorite shows and movies with crystal clear sound. If you encounter further problems, consider reaching out to TCL support or a professional technician. Happy watching. Applying these steps can lead to an enhanced viewing experience without audio interruptions. So, get ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy your entertainment the way it was meant to be heard.